I'm Andy, the Mitsubishi guy from Showcase Mitsubishi, and here is our 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES with all-wheel control generic video. Now I'm saying generic only because these cars are available in many, many colors. This video encompasses all the new ones that we sell, so this may not be the exterior color or the interior color that you're looking at, but I will go over the options and features and hopefully answer most of the questions that you want to know. Now, if there's questions that go beyond that, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. We're experts on these vehicles and we are happy to let you know anything that you want to know. Let's start with Mitsubishi's warranty, and everybody's proud of that. We're going to start with 10 years and 100,000 miles of powertrain, 5 years with 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, 5 years unlimited mileage roadside assistance, 8 years 80,000 miles computer and catalytic converter, and 7 years 100,000 miles anti-corrosion. Now that's a lot of warranty on this great 5-passenger crossover. Now this is 4-wheel drive. It gets 23 miles per gallon in the city and 29 on the highway. What an amazing vehicle, and it's so affordable. Do you like low interest rates? We've got low interest rates. Do you want a big rebate? We've got that. Do you want a lease? We've got that too. We can quote you on any and all of those things. Don't hesitate to ask those questions. Also, if you don't live nearby, but this is the car you want in your driveway or anything else that we sell, we're car shipping experts. We can make arrangements to ship this car anywhere in the country for you. It's very affordable. Don't hesitate to ask. We will save you some money and it will be good for you. Okay, 2019 Outlander Sport ES, 4-wheel drive. Get some nice refreshers on it. Got the nice new nose. We've got the nice plastic fender trim. Great looking 18-inch wheels. Heated with LED turn signal side view mirrors. Look at the look of the car. The car is absolutely great. And the black outstands the colors. It really looks good. Now, it's available in many other colors. There's gray, there's red, there's silver, there's blue. You've probably seen them, and I'm probably forgetting a few of them. Silver, so many other colors. Everything looks excellent on this car. And this car is affordable and well-equipped. What a nice car. Let me show you the inside. Let me talk to you a little bit about some of the options and features. Everybody thinks that because you're looking at an ES trim level, you're not going to get the equipment you want, but I want to tell you this car is very well equipped. On this driver's door, we have power windows, power locks, and as I said, those power heated side view mirrors. When I sit down inside, look at the nice trim that we've got. The nice, I hope you can see it anyway, but it's got black seats, but it's got all kinds of red stitching and red trim. Really, really attractive, really sets the car off. Okay, seat obviously forward and backward. Ratcheting system takes you up, takes you down. Steering column we've got tilt, telescopic, Bluetooth system over here with radio controls, cruise control over here. We've got the control over here for the headlights and fog lights if you get them. We've got the controls over here for the front and the rear wiper. If I kick the lights on, just like that, it'll light everything up for you a little bit. You can see you get the new 7-inch display audio system, obviously with backup camera, which is really, really nice. We've got our automatic climate control down here, which is a really nice change. Temperature, fan speed, direction for the air. Each one is also a push button, which is recirculate, air conditioning, rear defrost. Kind of hard to see, but your USB connection is right there. If you want to disengage traction control, it's right there. 12-volt power outlet located right there. Cubby hole. Here's our 4-wheel drive selector switch. Now, we can go from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive lock just by pushing this button, and you can push that button anytime you want at any speed traveling in any direction. So if you're on the highway and you want your 4-wheel drive engaged or disengaged, go ahead and do it. If you're driving in a parking lot and you're doing some circles for some reason, you want to change that setting, by all means go ahead. This car is good to go and good to change at any time. Automatic transmission, CVT right here, shift indicator, easy to work, double drink holders, emergency brake lever. Center armrest lifts up for a shelf. Open it up again. We've got another 12-volt power outlet, so you've got 2 of them up front. Room for some Kleenex and a pen in there. If I swing over here, obviously nice, spacious glove compartment. And what a great car. Now, let's talk about safety. Front airbags, side seat airbags, side curtain airbags. I'm going to let the camera roll around and I'm going to read you some of the other safety features. That might be something that you're interested in. But how about anti-lock brake systems with electronic brake force distribution and brake assist? Traction control logic, active stability control, hill start assist, tire pressure monitoring system. I covered side airbags, front seat side airbags, driver's side knee airbag, advanced dual stage front airbags. We talked about seat belts. I didn't even get to the latch system in the back, child safety door locks, anti-theft alarm system, and engine immobilizer, and of course, rise body construction. Rise Body Construction is Mitsubishi's system of engineering the body of this car that in the event you're in an accident, and I certainly hope you never are, but it takes the force of that impact and it moves it around the occupants as opposed to moving it through them. Now, many of the other safety-known car brands, such as Mercedes and Volvo, have been known to use that same engineering system that they bought the rights to use from Mitsubishi. So if you're looking for one of the safest small crossover SUVs, this is an excellent choice. Pricing is fantastic. And once again, with that gas mileage and with that warranty, how can you possibly go wrong? They even made it so that even the seat belts and the shoulder height is adjustable so that this seat belt will cross you just where you want it to. It's very comfortable, and of course, it's very safe. Great heating system, great cooling system. As I said, radio, you can run media, you can go through USB, you've got a Bluetooth phone system in here, everything you're looking for. Let's check out the second row of seats. As we move into the second row, you can see it's got that same red and black trim. Very, very attractive. I sit down in here, lots of room, lots of space, lots of headroom, lots of knee room, but in the back seat, you sit higher than the front seat. That's called theater height seating, and Mitsubishi does that to give you better view out of the front window, better view out of your side windows, and reduce the risk of car sickness. Now, how about child safety seat stuff? You can put one in 1, 2, 3 positions, latch and tether system, all 3 spots. Shoulder strap seat belts, all 3 spots. Center armrest comes down, double drink holder. And of course, side curtain airbags back here. Now, this back seat also folds down. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'll fold it down and you can get a look at it from the back of the car. Now, I'm leaving these seat belts connected. This one can be disconnected, this one can be moved out of the way, but I want you to get at least an idea of what kind of cargo space you get back here. As we get around to the back, I want to point out the fact that we've got LED taillights on this car. I did mention backup camera is standard, which is really nice, and an electronic release for the rear hatch. I like the redesign, by the way, on the back bumper if you haven't seen it yet. It's very attractive. Car looks good. And it's an amazing amount of car for the money. Okay, open up the rear hatch. Here's the space that you have. Now, of course, that other part of the seat will also fold down. But I mean, you can get bicycles back here, barbecues back here, whatever you like to haul, chances are it's going to fit nicely in here. And it's quick and it's easy. So if you want something that rides like a car, gets gas mileage like a car, but has the space of an SUV and has the fuel economy of a car, why wouldn't you want this? You got 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive, lots of space and gas mileage ride of a car. Nice, nice, nice car. So let me recap. If you want to lease, we've got great leases. If you want to buy, we've got great rebates. If you want a low interest rate, we've got a low interest rate. Any way you want to look at this car, we have a program that'll work for you. If you don't live nearby, we can ship this car to you. It's very affordable, all right? So many other things. If you want to do financing, you can call us on the phone. We can do it securely. You can do it securely on our website. We can certainly do it securely here at the dealership. Quick warranty recap. 10 years and 100,000 miles powertrain, 5 years 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance, 8 years 80,000 miles computer catalytic converter, and 7 years 100,000 miles anti-corrosion. How do you say no to that? It's everything that you want in a beautiful package. So come see this, get a hold of us. We'd love to put one of these in your driveway. Give us a call at Showcase Mitsubishi. Our phone number is 989-684-0500.